Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this VIVO. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. To download this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!